Hello everybody, my name is Charlotte Søberg. I'm a medical doctor from Denmark. I've been working in the medical conventional field now for 25 years in Denmark and Norway. My greatest passion is self-development. It has been since I was a teenager. And this past winter, I just felt like I wasn't aligned with the medical conventional system anymore. I wanted to, give the authority to the patient, because I know we have such great potentials within and we can actually learn how to heal ourselves. So I decided to quit my job in Denmark, and I want to advocate for a paradigm shift in health and well-being. And I've been working a lot with myself and been developing my intuitive abilities, and I kept seeing Tara in my mind. I have been working with Tara. We've been writing a book together with 35 other women 5 years ago. So I kept seeing Tara in my mind, and I reached out to her and decided to join the Thinking into Results program. And I'm so glad I did. To explain what Thinking into Results is doing to me, I'm halfway through now, and I'm very visual, so I drew some magnets. And if this represents our powers within, because I believe we have a lot of powers within. So let's say this is the power to attract money. This is the power to attract your soulmate, for example. I believe that our powers are just positioned very randomly in our body if we don't know how to use it, if we don't know how to use the universal laws and our abilities to use them. So I feel like Thinking into Results is teaching me how to align these magnets so that the power increases. It goes in one direction, right? So it strengthens the power we have, and also aligning our powers with our goals and our dreams and the results we want in life. And I can warmly recommend Tara and the Dream Team. Tara is a phenomenal leader. She is very compassionate. She knows a lot. She is very giving. She's very supportive and empowering, like the Dream Team. So if this resonates with you, I hope to see you in the group. Bye.